Wealth can be accumulated, but character cannot be bought. As contrasting as millet and rice, as differences like millet and rice are incapable of mixing. Like Lachai, who smooth talk to gain wealth from someone.
Lâkhashong hàng, Lâkhashong shok.
In one ear and out the other. Like water being reserved in a big battlefield. Singing too much blows head to death.
Lâmi khangahar thâda.
Like a sexual act of cat, like a mating cat.
Lâmi maleiakha shiokna khanganui.
Where there is no cat, rat dances.
Lâmi meithâ nâishân kahâi thâda.
Like a cat kneading amber.
Lâmi nâishân shan kuikaithiya meithâ shan kuikaithiya thâda.
Like a cat can take stars into account, not the tree kiln.
Lâmi ngāugasa thâda.
Like a cat mewling sound during mating season.
Lâmi khâifa khâireo eina kasui thâda.
Like luring a cat with a tasty morsel of frog and crab.
Lângsoshâra tektâhaiyei.
Thou shalt not boast, lest fall down.
Lângsosor kuikaithiya.
Boastful blows head to death.
Leih shinshirai eina tharâ eina mangahanru.
If wealthy, make courtesy by offering, not by water. Business is like a pluck game of stone. Business is like cast and collect game of stone. That is like wheat. No sound sleep as that makes pillow moved. Demand of depth is like toothache. Leaf like fertile soil. Soft like clay. Even mud spatters against.
Lengrik-akha.
Great work is possible with solidarity. Everything is possible in a union of interest. Like Lengtui selling lucky pebble. As weedy as Lengtui's venomous tongue. Wasted time never comes back. That field has spongious heart though small in area. Feel drowsy during plowing season due to pressure of salt. Like feeding fish gallbladder of luyao. Having a soothing tongue. Like a healthy buckwheat plant growing on retaining wall for a day. All die due to money. Money is called exactly what its name means, madness. Money causes madness.